Let's make this keto-friendly cabbage and scrambled eggs. First, we're going to start by shredding our lettuce. Then we're going to slice our carrots. Then we're going to slice up about a cup of scallions, a whole white onion. Then we're going to add it to the skillet with some olive oil. We're going to add the scallions and carrots first and stir fry for a couple minutes. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic, minced garlic. Then we're going to add that whole white onion sliced. Then we're going to add some ginger, fresh ginger. And we're going to stir fry that for a couple minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our cabbage. We're going to let the cabbage cook down for a couple minutes and add some bouillon seasoning for flavor. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and the scrambled eggs and some green onions. Then we're going to add some sesame seeds on top. Enjoy keto-friendly cabbage and scrambled eggs.